Good morning, welcome Shyam Stars. In continuation of Chapter 8, Human Health and Diseases, today we are going to learn about acquired immunity. In previous presentation, we discussed about immunity and the first type, that is innate immunity. Innate immunity is present from birth and is inherited from the parents. The second type of immunity, that is acquired immunity, which we are going to discuss today in this presentation, is not present from birth and develops during an individual's lifetime. The adaptive immune system, also referred as the acquired immune system, is a subsystem of the immune system that is composed of specialized systemic cells and processes that eliminates pathogens by preventing their growth. The acquired immune system is one of the two main immunity strategies found in vertebrates. It is characterized by memory. This means when our body encounters a pathogen for the first time, produces a response called primary response. So we can say primary immune response is the reaction of immune system when it contacts an antigen for the first time. Whereas secondary immune response is the reaction of the immune system when it contacts an antigen for the second or subsequent times in lifetime. The primary and secondary immune responses are carried out with the help of two special types of lymphocytes present in our body. These are B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. The B lymphocytes produce an army of proteins in response to pathogens into our blood to fight with them. These proteins are called antibodies. The T cells themselves do not secrete antibodies but help B cells to produce them. Each antibody molecule has 4 peptide chains as shown in this slide, 2 small called light chains and 2 longer called heavy chains. So the molecule of an antibody is represented by H2L2. H stands for heavy chains and L stands for light chains. Different types of antibodies are produced in our body. And if you will observe, you will find an antibody seems like a Y-shaped structure. These antibodies are present in our blood. Based on the responses, acquired immune responses are of two types. That is humoral immune response, which is antibody-mediated response, and the second type is called cell-mediated immune response or cell-mediated immunity. Humoral immunity involves antibodies which are secreted by B lymphocyte cells dissolved in the blood plasma. This defense mechanism is used against bacteria, bacterial toxins and viruses. The cell-mediated immunity involves the activities of specific white blood cells. These are T lymphocyte cells, and this protect our body against cancer cells, virus-infected cells, fungi and endoparasites. So children, this is all about acquired immunity and its different types. I hope you must have understood. In the next presentation, we will talk about active and passive immunity, vaccination and immunization. Thank you, Shyam Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on Google Classroom. Take care.